Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize with Firebase to store UI preferences with Firestore easy tutorial step by step clearly. First, open your preferred code editor and create a new project. Ensure you have Firebase set up by visiting the Firebase console and creating a new project. Once your project is created, click on the Add App option and select the appropriate platform for your application. Follow the instructions to register your app with Firebase. After registering, you will be provided with your Firebase configuration details. Copy those details to your clipboard. Next, install the Firebase SDK in your project by running the appropriate command in your terminal. For a web project, use the command npm install Firebase. Import Firebase in your JavaScript file. Initialize Firebase with your configuration details. Set up authentication by enabling a sign-in method in the Firebase console under the Authentication section. Choose an authentication method that suits your application, such as email/password or Google Sign-in. After configuring authentication, move back to your code editor. Create a sign-in function to allow users to log in to your application. In this function, use Firebase auth methods to handle user sign-in. Upon successful sign-in, redirect users to the main part of your application. Now, set up Firestore to store your UI preferences. In the Firebase console, navigate to Firestore database and click on Create Database. Choose the appropriate security rules for your. Back in your code, initialize Firestore by importing it from the Firebase library. Create a Firestore instance using the firebase.firestore method. Next, create a function to save user preferences to Firestore. In this function, specify the user's ID as the document ID to ensure preferences are unique. Use Firestore methods to store the UI preferences in a structured way. To read the preferences, create another function that retrieves data from Firestore. Use a listener to detect changes in real time and update the UI accordingly. Ensure that users see their preferences immediately upon signing in. Test your application to confirm that preferences save and load correctly. By following these steps, you should now have a functional Firebase authorization system to store UI preferences using Firestore. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.